once again.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the blooper scene. As you can see from last video's thumbnail, the cherry picker tipped over. I was actually embarrassed to show you this the clip, but you can learn from my mistake. While racing the engine, the cherry picker started to lift, and by the time I knew it, it tipped over. I got scared, thought the arm from the cherry picker was gonna hit the windshield, and so I just lowered the cherry picker arm and just raced the engine back out. So at this time it was already getting night, so I just wanted to pull the engine out. I was actually embarrassed, scared to show this, but who cares? So thank you guys for the support, for subscribing and liking the videos.